Have you ever thought that the plants growing quietly around you might be more than just decoration? Not simply herbs for cooking or filler plants in the garden, but natural healers carrying centuries of traditional knowledge in their leaves, roots, and flowers? For generations, people depended on nature's pharmacy. Plants were used to calm the mind, support the immune system, ease discomfort, and help the body stay balanced. Over time, many of these traditional remedies were replaced by modern pharmaceuticals. Yet countless medicinal plants remain powerful, effective, and widely respected when used correctly. In this video, we'll explore 10 traditional medicinal plants that may support your well-being, improve energy, and help your body naturally. These plants are time-tested, practical, and many of them can even be grown at home, turning your garden into a living source of natural wellness. 1. Ashwagandha, the stress-reducing root. Ashwagandha, sometimes referred to as Indian ginseng, is one of the most important herbs in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Its name is often translated as the smell of a horse, symbolizing strength, stamina, and vitality. For centuries, it has been used to help the body cope with stress and restore internal balance, and today it is widely studied for its adaptogenic properties. Health benefits. Stress support. Ashwagandha may help reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, supporting a calmer state of mind. Energy and stamina. It is commonly used to combat fatigue and support physical endurance. Mental clarity. Many people use it to support focus, memory, and cognitive performance. Immune and hormonal balance. Traditionally valued for supporting overall vitality in both men and women. How it's used. Warm tonic. The powdered root can be mixed into warm milk or water as a calming evening drink. Capsules or extracts. A convenient option for daily supplementation. Herbal tea. A mild infusion may be enjoyed to encourage relaxation. Growing information. Ashwagandha prefers warm climates with plenty of sunlight and well-draining sandy soil. It tolerates dry conditions well and does not require heavy watering. The plant usually matures within a few months. Roots are typically harvested when the leaves begin to yellow, which signals peak development of active compounds. It can also be grown successfully in large containers or raised beds, making it suitable for home gardens. 2. Valerian root, the natural relaxation. Has long been recognized as a traditional herb for relaxation and sleep support. For centuries, it has been used to help calm the nervous system and encourage restful sleep. Unlike many synthetic sleep aids, valerian is known for working gently, without leaving most users feeling excessively drowsy the next day. Health benefits. Sleep support. Valerian is commonly used to improve sleep quality and help reduce the time needed to fall asleep. It is believed to influence GABA activity in the brain, which plays a role in relaxation. Anxiety reduction. Traditionally used to promote emotional balance and reduce nervous tension. Muscle relaxation. May help ease mild muscle tightness and discomfort. Overall wellness support. By encouraging better sleep and reduced stress, it indirectly supports immune and cognitive health. How it's used. Herbal tea. Dried roots are steeped in hot water and typically consumed before bedtime. Liquid extracts, tinctures, provide concentrated dosing. Capsules or powders, a convenient option for regular use. Herbal blends, often combined with calming herbs such as chamomile, lemon balm, or passion flower. Growing information. Valerian grows best in moist, fertile soil with good drainage and prefers partial sun or light shade. Consistent watering is important, but the soil should not remain waterlogged. The roots are usually harvested in the autumn, often after 2 growing seasons, when the plant is fully matured and medicinal compounds are more concentrated. It can tolerate cooler climates and grows well in garden beds or containers. 3. Elderberry, the immune-supporting berry. Elderberry Sambucus nigra has been valued for generations as a traditional remedy for supporting the immune system and helping the body during seasonal illnesses. Its deep purple berries are naturally rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and beneficial plant compounds. In addition to its health uses, elderberry is also an attractive plant, producing fragrant flowers in summer and useful berries later in the season. Health benefits. Supports recovery from colds and flu. Elderberry is known for its antiviral properties. Research suggests it may help reduce the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms, especially when taken at the early stages. Immune system support. The berries contain vitamins A, B, and C, along with flavonoids and anthocyanins that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Elderberry may help reduce inflammation and promote overall wellness. Respiratory comfort. Traditionally used to soothe sore throats, ease coughing, and support clear breathing during seasonal illnesses. How it's used. Syrups and preserves. Cooked berries are commonly prepared as immune-supporting syrups or flavorful jams. Teas and infusions. Flowers or berries can be steeped in hot water to create soothing drinks. Capsules and extracts. Concentrated forms allow convenient year-round use. Cooking and beverages. Elderberries can be added to smoothies, desserts, and sauces for both flavor and nutritional value. Growing information. Elderberry grows well in full sun to partial shade and prefers moist, well-drained soil. It adapts to different soil types but generally performs best in slightly acidic to neutral conditions. It is a hardy perennial shrub. Flowers typically appear in early summer, followed by berry clusters in late summer or autumn. Once mature, a single plant can produce generous harvests each year. Regular pruning improves air circulation, encourages healthy growth, and supports higher fruit production. Elderberry is resilient and suitable for home gardens, small orchards, or hedgerows. It also benefits from companion planting, as nearby flowers can attract pollinators and helpful insects. 4. Yarrow, the traditional healing. Herb yarrow, Achillea millefolium, is an ancient medicinal plant with a long history of use in traditional herbal practices. According to legend, it was used by warriors in ancient times to help treat wounds. Today, it is still valued for its wide range of supportive properties, especially in home herbal gardens. Health benefits. Supports minor wound care. Yarrow contains natural compounds that may help slow minor bleeding and support clotting, making it useful for small cuts and scrapes. Immune and fever support. Traditionally used to help the body respond to infections and assist in regulating body temperature during illness. Digestive comfort. May help ease bloating, cramping, and mild digestive discomfort. Anti-inflammatory properties. Often used to support muscle and joint comfort. Skin care. Fresh leaves or infused preparations can help soothe minor irritations, insect bites, and rashes. How it's used. Direct application. Crushed fresh leaves can be applied externally to minor cuts or bruises. Herbal tea. Dried flowers and leaves can be steeped in hot water for internal support. Tinctures and extracts. Provide concentrated herbal support with controlled dosing. Herbal oils. Infused oils may be used for massage or skin application. Growing information. Yarrow grows best in full sunlight and well-drained soil. It is highly adaptable and can thrive even in poor, sandy, or rocky soil, where many other plants struggle. It is drought-tolerant and very hardy, making it suitable for garden borders, herb beds, and natural landscapes. Regular harvesting encourages more flowers and helps maintain strong medicinal qualities. Yarrow can be grown from seeds, division, or cuttings, allowing gardeners to expand their herb collection over time. It also attracts pollinators and beneficial insects, helping improve the overall garden ecosystem. If you'd like, I can continue rewriting the next plants in the same style. 5. Echinacea, the immune-supporting flower. Echinacea, also known as coneflower, is a well-known North American medicinal plant valued for its immune-supporting properties. Indigenous communities traditionally used it for infections, wounds, and fever. Today, it is widely recognized as a popular herbal remedy for supporting the body during seasonal colds and flu. Health benefits. Immune support. Echinacea is believed to stimulate white blood cell activity, helping the body respond more effectively to infections. Anti-inflammatory action. It may help reduce inflammation and support faster recovery from minor illnesses. Topical wound care. When used externally, preparations from the plant may help support healing of small cuts, scrapes, and insect bites. How it's used. Herbal tea. Roots and flowers can be brewed into an immune-supporting infusion. Tinctures. Alcohol-based extracts provide a convenient way to use the herb during early signs of illness. Infused oils. Used externally for minor skin concerns or irritations. Growing information. Echinacea thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Once established, it is a hardy perennial that returns each year with minimal care. For stronger medicinal qualities, roots are often harvested from mature plants, while flowers are typically collected near full bloom. Besides its health value, Echinacea is highly attractive to pollinators, making it both functional and ornamental in the garden. 6. Lemon balm, the calming herb. Lemon balm is a fragrant member of the mint family known for its soothing effects. Its botanical name, Melissa officinalis, is derived from the Greek word for honeybee, reflecting the plant's strong appeal to pollinators. Traditionally, it has been used to promote relaxation, support digestion, and ease nervous tension. It is a gentle yet valuable herb for home gardens. Health benefits. Stress relief. Lemon balm tea is commonly used to encourage calmness and reduce mild anxiety. Digestive comfort. It may help relax digestive muscles, easing bloating and cramping, especially when stress is involved. Antiviral properties. Traditionally used for cold sores and minor skin irritations. Mood and focus support. Its aroma is often associated with improved concentration and a more positive mood. How it's used. Tea. Fresh or dried leaves can be steeped in hot water for a calming beverage. Topical use. Cooled infusions may be applied to minor skin issues. Bath infusion. Adding leaves to warm bath water creates a relaxing experience. Culinary herb. Fresh leaves can flavor salads, drinks, and desserts. Growing information. Lemon balm grows easily in sunny or partially shaded areas with well-draining soil. Regular harvesting keeps the plant compact and encourages stronger leaf production. Because it spreads quickly, container growing can help control its growth. It also attracts beneficial insects and pollinators, supporting the overall garden ecosystem. 7. Peppermint, the refreshing remedy. Peppermint is a versatile herb known for its cooling sensation and strong aroma. Thanks to its menthol content, it has long been used to support digestion, relieve tension, and promote clear breathing. Its invigorating scent and flavor make it both a culinary favorite and a traditional medicinal plant. Health benefits. Headache support. Menthol may help relax tense muscles, particularly around the temples and neck. Digestive aid. Often used to ease nausea, bloating, and digestive discomfort. Respiratory relief. Inhalation of peppermint vapors can help open nasal passages and support easier breathing. Mental stimulation. The refreshing aroma is commonly associated with improved alertness and focus. How it's used. Tea. Fresh leaves can be brewed into a cooling herbal drink. Cooking, added to smoothies, salads, and desserts for flavor and freshness. Topical use. Diluted peppermint oil can be applied to the temples or sore muscles for a cooling effect. Steam inhalation. Crushed leaves in hot water can be inhaled to support sinus comfort. Growing information. Peppermint spreads rapidly through underground runners, so container planting is often recommended to keep it contained. It prefers partial sunlight and consistently moist soil, though proper drainage is important. Regular pruning keeps the plant healthy and encourages fresh, aromatic growth. Peppermint is easy to propagate from cuttings, making it suitable for beginner gardeners. If you'd like, I can continue rewriting the remaining plants in the same structured style. 8. Ginger, the warming root. Ginger, Zinniber officinale, is one of the most popular and effective medicinal roots used worldwide. Valued for its warming properties, it has been a cornerstone of traditional Asian, Middle Eastern, and Ayurvedic healing systems for centuries. Ginger is known for acting quickly, whether easing nausea, supporting circulation, or reducing inflammation, making it a reliable natural remedy for everyday health concerns. Health benefits. Digestive relief. Ginger is widely used to calm nausea, motion sickness, and stomach discomfort by supporting digestive enzymes and relaxing the gut muscles. Anti-inflammatory effects. Its active compound, gingerol, helps reduce inflammation in joints and muscles, supporting relief from arthritis and physical strain. Improved circulation and immunity. Ginger promotes healthy blood flow and strengthens immune response. Cold support. Because of its warming nature, it is often used in teas for colds, sore throats, and mild fevers, especially combined with honey and lemon. How to use. Ginger tea. Fresh slices or grated root steeped in hot water create a soothing beverage. Cooking ingredient. Used in savory dishes, soups, smoothies, and baked goods for flavor and health benefits. Warm compress. A concentrated ginger infusion can be applied to sore areas to ease muscle tension. Extracts and tinctures. Concentrated forms provide convenient daily support. Growing information. Ginger grows from rhizomes rather than seeds, making it simple to propagate. It prefers warm temperatures, indirect light, and nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Keep the soil consistently moist but avoid excess water. Harvest typically occurs after 8 to 10 months when the leaves begin to yellow. Small portions of rhizome can be harvested while allowing the plant to continue growing. 9. Turmeric, the golden healing root. Turmeric curcuma longa, often called the golden spice, is highly valued for both culinary and medicinal uses. Its bright rhizome has been used in traditional Indian and Southeast Asian medicine for thousands of years. Modern research supports its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a key plant for natural wellness. Health benefits. Anti-inflammatory support. Curcumin, the main active compound, helps reduce inflammation linked to joint pain and chronic discomfort. Digestive and liver health. Turmeric supports bile production and promotes healthy digestion and detoxification. Immune strengthening. Regular use can enhance the body's natural defenses. Antioxidant activity. Helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Brain and mood support. Studies suggest curcumin may support cognitive health and emotional balance. How to use. Cooking. Added to curries, soups, smoothies, or golden milk for flavor and wellness benefits. Herbal tea. Fresh slices or powdered turmeric combined with ginger, honey, or lemon. Supplements. Capsules or extracts provide concentrated support. Topical use. Turmeric paste may be applied externally for minor skin concerns. Growing information. Turmeric is grown from rhizomes and thrives in warm, humid conditions with partial shade. It prefers rich, loose soil with good drainage. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Harvest generally occurs after 8 to 10 months when foliage begins to yellow. After harvesting, rhizomes can be stored fresh, dried, or powdered for long-term use. 10. Holy basil, Tulsi. The sacred herb. Holy basil, known as Tulsi, Ocimum tenuiflorum, is a highly respected plant in traditional medicine, especially in India, where it is considered sacred. Classified as an adaptogen, Tulsi helps the body manage stress while supporting overall balance and resilience. Health benefits. Stress management. Helps regulate cortisol levels, promoting calm focus and mental clarity. Immune support. Rich in antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that strengthen immunity. Respiratory health. Traditionally used for coughs, colds, and seasonal allergies. Metabolic support. May help maintain healthy blood sugar and cardiovascular function. Energy and resilience. Supports physical and mental endurance. How to use. Tea. Fresh or dried leaves brewed into a calming herbal drink. Dried herb used in teas, blends, or capsules for year-round use. Aromatherapy. Diluted essential oil for relaxation and mood support. Culinary use. Adds a mild peppery flavor to foods and beverages. Growing information. Tulsi grows best in sunny locations with well-drained soil. It is relatively drought-tolerant once established. Regular pruning encourages bushy growth and higher leaf production. Preventing flowering helps maintain stronger leaf quality. It can be grown outdoors, in containers, or even indoors for continuous access.